Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Acura TSX wagon. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2.4 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower and 170 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black leather interior, sunroof. Acura TSX badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, roof rack. Power windows, memory seats, power seats. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A rear view backup camera. Navigation. Our keys for our media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Acura TSX has 81,142 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura TSX wagon, check out feldmannimports.com.